Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a Silver Stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 4th day of October 2023, I got a really great video for you today. We're going to be talking about the merging of sports card memorabilia with coin collecting. But before all that, I got to show you the prices of precious metals over at APMEX. I think some people were under the impression after yesterday's chaos that the precious metal markets were going to spike. I don't think so. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So it looks like gold is down $3.70 to 18.3520. Silver's down a dime to 21.35. Platinum down $4.50 to 8.8610, and palladium down 22.40 to 12.0150. You're looking at an in-stock American Silver Eagle. At least you were. There you go. And they're looking here at a look, a 7% off the premium, and that's about 50 cents right there. Is that a good deal? Would you be down for that? Yeah, I don't know. I think the premiums are going to go a lot higher than we're seeing right now. We're going to probably see a $15 to $20 premium again, I think, shortly. And that's my opinion. I'm welcome to it. But one other thing I'd like to touch base with you on before we talk about the sports memorabilia and the coin collecting merging is the bricks, okay? And that can happen. That can affect all of us here in the United States and without warning. And one thing about the United States, it changed in the 1980s. It went from a manufacturing economy to a service economy. And I think Reagan did that. And what that means is that we don't make anything here in the United States anymore. We rely on our outside partners, as far as getting items here. Do you remember how tough it was to get medicines here from abroad? Yeah, we could see things like that happening. So think of all the things that are made overseas and sent here. Well, when the dollar stops being the world reserve currency and the BRICS, that's Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, when they start rolling with their trading in, not in dollars anymore, but whatever currency they want to trade with, that's going to make the dollar, well, worth a whole lot less than it is now. And that's why I believe that it's going to get really tumultuous here in this open air asylum that we call the United States. Now, over here to the United States Mint's bullion sales and sales totals are updated every weekday by 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And I highlight all the latest numbers, and when this highlight drops off, that means the United States Mint has added to those particular numbers. So nothing new yet. We're standing at 18.6 million American Silver Eagles, and we're standing at 1.6 million American Gold Eagles. And hopefully we'll see 2 million here and 20 million there. If we do, I think that the premiums may stay the same instead of going up higher and higher. Now, over here, this VaultBox, it's, I've done a video about VaultBox before in the past. I think Series 1, and then they had Series 2, then Series 3, and I do believe that Series 3 had the one coin, which I really dig that one coin action, because let's face it, spending $599, $699 for 3 particular coins that you really don't know what you're going to get, because to a lot of people it seems like gambling. Now it says here, new way for collectors to have box breaking fun. All right. In coin collecting. Now, this is the upcoming series. The release date is October 11th, right? That's in 7 short days. That's a week from now, I believe. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $229. There's 1 coin per box, 1 coin. Household order limit of 3, and says look for Red Core Series hits. And I don't know if they mean like private or public or sellers, what's going on with the household order limit. But there were some whatnot sellers, I believe, that had actually been offered a whole lot more than the 3 that you see here. So these do sell out, folks. There's no doubt about it. These do sell out. Let's keep on keeping on. So what is VaultBox Series 4? It features a fun, unique, and exciting theme. Each series is loaded with hundreds or thousands of coins specially curated by VaultBox and authenticated by NGCX. VaultBox Series 4 is launching October 11, 2023. Once you receive your box, you can look up the unique serial number on each coin in your box, then add your coin to your collection, sell it, or cash out quickly with an instant offer. Isn't that something? That's kind of cool. Now, here's are the breakdowns of the items that are listed in this particular vault box. These are the hits, actually. So you got the 1885 CC, Morgan Silver Dollar, NGCX graded, Mint State 9.7, and these are all Mint State NGCX coins, all right? Now, there's this coin distribution list here. I'm sure you can read that there. And I will leave a link in the description for the VaultBox website. But look at this. A lot of these, as it were, are Morgan silver dollars, like a good portion of them. Now, not necessarily, that's not necessarily all that's going to be here, but there's a good portion that are Morgan silver dollars, and they are, 3, 6, 10, 14, 15. And there are, Morgan dollars from 130 years ago, but there's also the Morgan dollars from just a few short years ago, 2021. All right. So not only that, they have American Silver Eagles in this collection as well. But look at that. The majority of those red hits are the Morgan silver dollars. Now let's go to the black cores, and you see this is where the quantity really ramps up. And those are the American Silver Eagles right there, American Silver Eagles. And then it goes back over to the Morgan silver dollars here in a second. See how many there are? That's a tremendous amount of American silver dollars, American Eagle. All right. Now here we go. Peace silver dollars 2021, New Orleans Privy Mark, CC. So yeah, I mean, you can see, oh, and look at this. Look at that. 100 each. Peace silver dollar from 2023. Look at that. San Francisco Peace silver dollar. That's the Proof Ultra Cameo. And they're in the highest grade possible at 100 each. And then we go back to the Morgan silver dollars. Look at that. And those numbers are pretty substantial as well. So are they giving out more Morgans or more American Silver Eagles in this particular vault box? I'm going to go out on a limb and say the Morgan silver dollars are probably what this collection should be called. Now, let's keep on keeping on with this theme about sports memorabilia, okay, and coin collecting. Now, this is numismatic news. And look, there's a very good reason why, okay, that these mints are looking to get in on the sports collection hobby. So check this out. The coin collecting industry was valued at $8.7 billion in 2022. The forecast for value in 2031 is $20.9 billion. All right, this is generative AI experimental. Info quality may vary, but look at that. Remember that number, $20.9 billion in 2031, and then in 2022, $8.7 billion. Okay, well, let's look at the sports memorabilia market. All right. In 2021, the global sports memorabilia market was estimated to be worth $26.1 billion, expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate. That's a CAGR between what? 21.8% between 2022 and 2032, reaching $227 billion by 2032. Yeah, that's 10 times more than the coins are valued, folks. So I think the coin collecting hobby wants some of that sports memorabilia money in their hot little pockets, in their hot little hands, right? Now, here we go. This is from Numismatic News by World Coin News staff 20 hours ago. Mike Tyson, Floyd Mayweather, Ric Flair, and Pete Rose to be featured on new sports trading coins. Look at that. Sports trading cards? No. Sports trading coins. Now, obviously, the coin industry is trying to reinvent itself here in 2022 and 2023. It says here, Celebrity Mint is merging the collectible worlds of sports memorabilia and coin collecting with the debut of the first legal tender trading coins. Precious metal coins remained reimagined as trading cards, featuring the names, images, and likeness of stars from sports and pop culture. Now, we didn't have a pop culture icon on here. Maybe Ric Flair could be, but really, I mean, ultimately, I think they're both basically the sports folks. Celebrity Mint's initial offering of minted gold and silver collectibles will kick off with the Legend Series featuring boxers Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, Floyd Mayweather, professional wrestling legend Ric Flair, and baseball's all-time hits leader Pete Rose. Okay, look at that. There you go. You got $5, Charles III, 2023, Cook Islands, and then you've got Mike Tyson with 1, 2, 3 belts right there that he's wearing. It says here, Flair. Can't you just hear him say, woo? Just every time I see that picture, it's so amazing. Flair will help debut the series on stage at the eBay booth at the New York Comic Con on Saturday, October 14th at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and it will be streamed live on eBay Live via the eBay app. If you don't have that eBay app, you can't watch it, obviously. So there you go. There's Nature Boy Ric Flair, Legend Series, and definitely a legend. Got the American flag there. It says Ric Flair gold card and coin from Celebrity Mint. Our mission at Celebrity Mint is to bridge the gap between coin collecting and sports memorabilia enthusiasts, said co-founder Kenny Duncan Jr. of the Duncan Group and Houston-based U.S. Coins and Jewelry. We set out to make the first precious metal trading card by taking a minted legal tender coin and reimagining it into a card. We believe that the combination of exquisite craftsmanship, innovative technology, and exclusive celebrity partnerships will create a whole new level of excitement for collectors worldwide. Now, look at that, Mike Tyson. Uh-oh. He looks pretty young there. The minted collectibles, crafted from 3/9 gold and silver, will be available exclusively through eBay. All right. Initial offerings include signature series coins, embedded memorabilia coins, chibi coins, and proofs. The card-like proofs will be available in vivid green, pink, and red colorways with limited mintages. And if those are limited mintages, I think they're trying to mirror the parallels that you find in sports cards, because parallels have a whole lot lower print run than just the base cards. Okay. And look at those stretch marks. Man, he was going for the gold there. He was bulking up like mad right there. He wasn't doing toning at all. Celebrity Mints legal tender coins are certified by PCGS. And would you look at that, folks? And accompanied by special exclusive labels by PCGS. So it looks like PCGS is getting into the special labels category, just like NGCX has, or NGC as it were. Because normally people, they really like that blue PCGS label, because it looks like all the other coins grade from there. All right. It's standardization or consistency. I don't know, either one. The precious metal legal tender trading coins, dubbed proofs, are authenticated and certified by Numismatic Guarantee Company through its newest coin grading arm, NGCX. Collectors can also chase limited edition gold ticket inserts featuring redemption certificates. What? For a one-of-a-kind experience with sports legends, signed memorabilia, and other prizes. Oh, I dig to meet up, get that, and get Pete Rose, hang out with him. That'd be really cool. While the fortunes of traditional sports memorabilia ebb and flow with the whims of the mercurial marketplace, I hope I said that right. I probably didn't. Precious metals such as gold and silver always retain an intrinsic timeless value built on centuries of human wonder and world building, Duncan said. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely an interesting opinion there. Now, let's keep on keeping on. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this particular website. This is it right there. That's a Celebrity Mint, I believe. That's right, Celebrity Mint. And I'll leave a link like here, 10 days, 3 hours, 49 minutes, and about 30 some odd seconds. And you can sign up to their newsletter to get exclusive product updates and drops. All they need is your email address, your name, your phone number, your birthday, all right, month and day, and your interests. All righty, now let's head over to those plus ones, folks. Bam! This is Psalm 41:5. I'm dyslexic. I can't help it. As for me, when I was sick, which I am right now, can you tell I'm really low energy and kind of blah? I said, "Oh Lord, show me favor, heal my soul, for I've sinned against you." And I believe what that means is that we should pray that our spiritual shortcomings be cured, not just our physical symptoms. Yeah, because some people believe that if you have a physical ailment, that maybe, just maybe, it's a heads up to you to snap out of it. That's what some people believe. Now, let's over here to 3/9's fine, 99.9. Nope, that's not it. I don't know why it's doing that. There we go. I don't want to hit play, but this is Pink Floyd's Shine On You Crazy Diamond. It's got all the parts in it, and it's a really cool song to start your Wednesday morning, or even if you're listening to this a year later. I think it's a cool jam, and I will leave a link in the description for this one as well. So, folks, I want to thank you all for coming. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget, hit like, share, and subscribe on this particular video. And if not, that's okay. You do what you want to do. Stacker out.